Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on the smartband. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our device. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now scroll through this menu and find the option called sleep, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have a list of durations. We have auto, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and the 20 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds for example, and after you're done, you'll go back to the display and brightness menu. You can press the side button to go back to watch face, and I selected 10 seconds, so my screen should turn off after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait, and it should be right around now. Yeah, okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.